some children join come among.
Oh.
Yeah. And some join go out. Like just 5 family.
How many children one time?
Yeah, and now we have 163 children.
163.
Yeah, 160.
They were
Yeah.
saying most of the children got put here abandoned between midnight and morning.
Yeah, yeah.
Which scratching?
Yeah.
Hold this.
The government only have about favor for them, favor for open the center, ID for the children. Only that. And children go to school, might go there pay school pay anything. Yeah. Yeah.
People like us, or does the government also help a little too with the kids?
Sometimes they come here, have a look, and no.
Okay. Come and look and then go.
Yeah, have a look and go, have a look and go. Yeah. Only have ID for the children. They only have. My master love them very much, very much.
I can see that. Good atmosphere,
American people that retired.
Can we go in, like in these rooms or this room, to play with the kids?
Maybe Canada is outside.
Because they got to clear
This one.
people and all that.